We want to stop them, but we also need to recognise that many of them are also victims. And for them, their lives have been brutalised by the Islamic State and its ideology in the same way.
Which is what we need, which is what we call fight or flight. In response of the fight or flight. Once we exposed to a stressful environment, our body prepares us in order to fight
As Mein Kampf is difficult to read, but it's essential reading. You can Google it, it's online, it's been translated, and it lays out in very clear terms and his AKPD officers. Again, it's not some distant past, it's not Armenia 100 years ago, or even Nazi Germany 60 years ago. It's right now. Which brings us to the final group, the bystanders, people like me.
University of California looked into the mental health effects of former detainees by the Lord's Resistance Army in northern Uganda. This rebel group had been responsible for the...
What I'd like to do is sort of set the stage for the other speakers. We'll talk in more detail about...
ISIS is on the ground. They've got $1.2 billion supplied by Qatari and Saudi families, stolen. In the end, could no longer live with his own survival, and he took his own life.
As we speak, and systematically being tortured by members of the Islamic State. So far, the effects of physical torture and detainment.
Tak, so jak štítě